Hey everyone, we got ourselves 2 packs of gravity packs of Donruss and Prestige. Picked up these up at Target for $3 each, so 4 packs, so about $12 packs in all, 13, around $13. Let's start with Prestige and see what's going on. Haven't opened Donruss, want to see how they compare. Guys, let me know what you think. Tate, Johnson, Leonard. Got a rookie, Phillips, nice. Any Given Sunday, Jackson. Got ourselves a rookie again, Swells, Trumbull, Tane Hills, Kamar, Cousins, and our kid reporter. Let's see how Donruss plays out. Donruss has slightly less cards. I did not see what the specialty cards are, so we'll find out what they are compared to Prestige, which was the dotted. So we got Graham, Mayfield, Wentz, Kiersey, and what do we have? Patrick Mahone. What is this? Is this a relic? A signature? No, just it's like Patrick Mahone. What do we have here? Mac. And our hot rookie, Horse. Not numbered right. All right. Powell, and here's our kid reporter. That was interesting. I got psyched. They trolled me. All right, let's do it Prestige again. All right, we got Humphreys, Pittman, Druid. Dot is Tryon, rookie. Any Given Sunday. Target. Our rookie is Bolt. Stevens. Minshot the second. Jones. Drake. And kid reporter. Last pack. Let's see if I'm going to get trolled again. Tucker, Moss, Parker, Brown, Barry Sanders, Desmond Min. Okay, that felt. Sorry about that, guys. Oops. Let's see. And the card behind it was a Ezekiel Elliott. The last card was a rated rookie, and it's Smith. And here's your kid reporter. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next.